ਉਹੀ ਰੋਵੇ ਉਹੀ ਖੂਨੇ ਉਹੀ ਚਾਲ ਬੋਲ ਚਾਲ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਨਿਰੀ ਕਾਪੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਦੀ ਉਹੀ ਰੋਵੇ ਉਹੀ ਖੂਨੇ ਉਹੀ ਚਾਲ ਬੋਲ ਚਾਲ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਨਿਰੀ ਕਾਪੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਦੀ
Open any browser. Search as remove PG. All links are in description below. You can check it. Press on first link. Click on upload image. Now select the image. I will go with the browse option. Select the image which you want. It show uploading. To remove the background of your image, you can see now original image and the removed background image. Now click on the download option. The removed background image will be downloaded. Next, go with the edit option. Background, erase, restore, close, blur options and photo option. If you want background images, you can add from other applications as PixArt, but otherwise here are some stock images you can see here. So you can add here only and use the blur effect here only and click on the download option. It will get downloaded. Like this, here are the stock background images and here only you can adjust the blur. If you want, you can go with the other option by selecting the images of background by browsing here from the gallery. But default only many are there. So I will go with the default background options. Save at least 4 to 5 images with a different background. And here you can see the erase and restore option. If anything you want to erase from the photo, you can erase. You can adjust the brush size and offset size, and you can restore that which you want to bring the erased part back. See here, adjust the size of the brush and then erase. After saving all images, go back. You can see all the image download in notification panel. Open Likee app. Press on this icon to create the video. Now go with photo video option. Now select the images which you have created according to the order. First, only the plain background must be there. It will load. Now you can see the options below: mood, music and quits, and default, party option, ocean waves, etc. There are more editing options here, effects. Whichever you want you can select, and the default music and lyrics will be there. Whichever effect you like, you select. There are more effects. If you want to select other music for this effect, you can go to music option and select any songs. If you want any local musics, you can go to local musics, which are you can get from the music folder, which are having CC with red color will show lyrics when it is playing. Select the song according to the video size. If you don't like lyrics to show on the video, off it by pressing the icon. Click next. Tick on the save on device, and who can see this? If you want to public, you can click the settings as public, and you can save it as also private. It starts generating. You can see here it is uploaded in private, only you can view it. On the device you can see